Ninja Slushi not dispensing? Here's the fix. If your Ninja Slushi finishes the cycle but nothing comes out when you pull the tab, it's usually a blockage or assembly issue. Here's what to check when slush won't flow. Step 1. Let the mix soften for 1 to 2 minutes. Right after a cycle, the slush might be too frozen to dispense immediately. Let it sit for a minute or two. This helps it loosen just enough to flow without clogging. Step 2. Check the tap for a frozen blockage. Sometimes small chunks of fruit or ice refreeze near the nozzle and block the tap. Remove the container and inspect the spout area. If needed, rinse it under warm water or use a food-safe brush to clear it. Step 3. Make sure the tab is opening all the way. If the handle feels stiff or clicks too early, the mechanism might not be fully engaging. Press down slowly and firmly. If needed, disassemble and clean the tap mechanism. Step 4. Stir the mix slightly inside the container. Sometimes the outer edges freeze harder than the middle. Give the slush a gentle stir with a spoon or silicone spatula to loosen the texture near the tap. If it still won't dispense, you might be dealing with a damaged nozzle or internal clog. Check the link in the description for support or part replacement info. If this helped get your slush flowing, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick fixes that actually work. And if your tap area clogs often, we've linked a soft cleaning brush set below that keeps it clear between uses. Thanks for watching, and swirl smooth.